Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is the second video lecture of class 7th Geography. Chapter number 3, Introduction to Atmosphere. And our topic is atmosphere. As you know, Earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air, and air covers the earth like a thick blanket. This blanket of air is called atmosphere. Atmosphere is surrounding our earth from all the sides in the form of a cover. Due to gravitational force of the earth, atmosphere is attached to earth from all sides. There are three basic components of atmosphere. These are regular gases, variable gases, and pollutants. These are mostly found in the lowest form of atmosphere. Now we discuss about the composition of air in the atmosphere. The atmosphere is a mixture of many gases. These gases are directly or indirectly necessary for the survival of atmosphere, and about 99% of atmosphere consist of only two gases. These are oxygen and nitrogen. Oxygen and nitrogen amount is only, the remaining amount is only 1%, that are carbon dioxide and other rare gases. The percentage of nitrogen in atmosphere is 78%, and the percentage of oxygen in atmosphere is 21%, and the percentage of carbon dioxide in atmosphere is 0.03 to 0.04%, and others are remaining rare gases. There are some importance. Oxygen is necessary for our life. When we breathe, we absorb oxygen in our bodies. Oxygen is also used for the burning process. The survival of life, is impossible without this gas. Oxygen helps in burning all kinds of energy resources such as coal, oil, and natural gas. Such as nitrogen, the fertility of soil depends on nitrogen, and this gas is necessary for the growth of plants. It also helps in controlling fire. Carbon dioxide and other water vapors and ozones, these are variable gases. Carbon dioxide, this is heavier than other gases. The quantity of carbon dioxide has increased about 25% in the last 200 years. The burning of energy sources such as coal, oil, and natural gases etc. produces smoke, which increases the quantity of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The carbon dioxide is also necessary. It is also necessary for life. The plants use this gas to make their own food. This process by a process called photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide absorbs heat and moderates the temperature. Ozone. There is also ozone. Ozone stops the ultraviolet rays coming from the sun to reach the earth. If ozone is not present in the atmosphere, the high energy ultraviolet rays will become a danger for the life on the earth. The ozone filters these ultraviolet rays before sending other rays to the earth. There are some layers of atmosphere. The scientists divided atmosphere into 4 main layers. Let us discuss them. The first layer of the atmosphere is troposphere, second stratosphere, third mesosphere, and fourth thermosphere. Troposphere. This is the layer near the earth is troposphere. It is necessary for all kinds of living things on the earth. All activities on earth are due to it. All climate changes appear in this layer. For example, cloud formation, rain, wind, and heat etc. After that, the temperature in uppermost portion of this layer is about 60 degrees centigrade. This temperature the temperature in this layer decreases with height. It is present about 16 kilometer above Earth's surface. After that, the second layer is stratosphere. This layer is present above the troposphere. In this layer, the temperature rises with height instead of decreasing. Huge amount of ozone gas is present in stratosphere, which makes sun's rays favorable to environment. Above troposphere, this layer of stratosphere begins from 16 kilometers to 48 kilometers. After that, stratosphere, the layer present above is mesosphere. This layer is present from the Earth's surface 80 kilometers in atmosphere. This layer, in this portion, the temperature again decreases with height, and here the gases of air and other particles are in minimum amounts. From mesosphere, the above layer is called thermosphere, which extends from 80 kilometers to the final boundary of atmosphere. In this portion of atmosphere, temperature increases with height. At the height of 350 kilometers, the temperature of about 100 degrees centigrade is recorded. These are the layers of the atmosphere. Hope you all understand my lecture well. Stay home. Allah Hafiz.